live video no wapi no.
Oh, David, the most important one.
But the TikTok can bad in me ba, ya makwe.
Okay.
Beto wa dega me police ni je we matter.
Wa le video ni mi e.
Oru we ba ya na wa pick up na wa ye hand over ne no pa wa. Oh we no go Nigeria, no I no want go Nigeria me in last. I no be to mo. Okuna la gassy parties. Why you with bona? Gassy parties. You know, say this country no be our own. Let's be honest too. Look, to be honest, it kind of funny, but in reality, this is not funny. This is not funny. For a man to cry, when I see tears, they run out Benjamin eye. I feel bad though, to be honest with you. But if you know the genesis, you go know say, Vera ni. Ne gbagbo ma ho no gbera gbije we media ni gege ni e kino do with social media now. Mostly this prayer, this thing will happen to the man. Now they wish for my husband. Go watch the videos they do YouTube every day. Hey boy, make no me boy. My husband they help me again. Now we boy no. He say man not supposed to the help woman. Say na forbidity for both no. You know what that damn wagwa like I'm a blogger wagya I'm even now oh wait you know what damn you ain't what dash you way oh wait they carry me go Nigeria no power no power faith do like say you faith no power no faith or faith ya mujeson
I bet wait though. I don't know sometimes I go say why you just the pity and be waiting they go you know
just they talk and they call somebody ring my bed say
without this talk, without this, Jesus Christ. Hey, that, see, when you married to a bad woman, now what did the game be this? At the talk, see, it's possible to say, now that one said, the way I said, now it drag and start this mess when he did so. Husband no get sense, wife no get sense, now go lead this. Now go lead this shot, I'm a preview. Every day when go down there, the whoa. It's gonna be like that when they carry picking. I better leave me. Wow, this one shocked me anyway. The news shocked me. I will not know. Hey, Jay.
Okay, right now.
This one not funny, shiny way,
It's not funny now.
But small. But small. In way my husband no get sense. Wife no get sense. Now go lead each other now they talk.
Again, now when they
married to a bad woman.
They say they go sue their.
The woman go just say, they do whoa. She say na dog where they collect. You can't understand. I'm like.
Hello, somebody come up. Hello. Yeah, me.
The noise is not here. Nina kamuti.
Okay, Guaje.
Mama bava butter.
Bokia.
Ayo. Even I am do home, Mama. Even we watala. Again, I mean, no mama. This is again. I'm a maton bon. Me ma believe te wata. If they wata kile no yef te wata.
Me wa we camera do ato give it on.
Yeah, that is what I will ever target.
They matter not the way.
I will have woman dinner.
I'm okay, woman. Be where je Vera. Je ma no feel on me say quoi. On no feel on me say quoi. My man. A German last night the husband. That one where the boy, you know they work. You know get. If we police get to a boy now, I told me my way. Let's be sincere. The police. You always live video. Don't know Emmanuel what live video. Well, okay, go make that explain. Zingbe now. Benjamin, or when Nigeria ye kede. In the Benjamin Vera baby papa, they come from Nigeria. According to him, this morning he called down for near my house for Frankfurt for not too far from me. Frankfurt airport, now he for land. I see land 8:00 dot, according to him. He said that dear police officers come waka come meet him. Now if they tell us, say, follow us, go this side, whereas you supposed go to the other side to exit. Police come carry and go one room, Jama police. As they carry and go one room, now from there they come and say, sit down for here, oh, matter day. Then come they say, why I want sit down here now? They go house. You understand that kind of a thing? Make I pass, yeah. Then they say, no, sit down here. They come throw away for inside that one room. They come leave at the 8 o'clock till 2 o'clock. And before 2 o'clock, they come tell and say, your document, you not get again. Oh. You not get paper again. Your paper is cancelled. Now, if they tell us this one now, wait for online video. When it reach 2 o'clock, now they can't know say they can't tell us say they want deport am. Be like say according to him, he said they want carry him go Nigeria. So now you can't take call Vera. Say Vera day school. You can't call that one may run from school. You might not see it. Then he call online video. The last option, it just be like they sentence somebody to buy. They will say choose your last meal when you want eat before you go buy. You know how they do it for abroad and Nigeria everywhere, yeah. So now what happened to Benjamin today? Benjamin no get choice. He no come know where the thing. You get some situation when you're there. Before you say Nigeria mona come oh, God come oh, Jesus come oh. You don't know. So Benjamin call online video. As he online video, he can't begin to explain. Jama police hold me for airport oh, for Frankfurt airport oh, and not do anything. Oh, now people call they pop in the video. Vera self call climb up. Now they call the tell Vera say you call lawyer. Vera say according to them don't call lawyer. Lawyer say no they go they don't plan now they want deport him ma. If they deport her, he say go come out. He no go stay Jamie like say he get with Jama the benefit for. He got beg it. We make to me no more mena. He it. Now so it happen. So from there, I go get serious. And the boy they got a live video. They got a lot of yeah. Me say vani, me don't me go or explain. They hold me 8 o'clock since so they hold me. They say that my paper don't cancel. Me I can't ask myself. Germany cannot just hold a walk. Mama they walk. They can't hold mama they walk. Make they say they want deport. It's not possible. Like seriously, I can't say a joke. Before you go no. Police just call here watch we mato here gak. Then the Benjamin ye be cancer. Any ye be kanya na re Benjamin ginoto. Eri ya jack we lare. Oda got no one go Nigeria. E man you don't do kune got me we. Fe talk about we.
Hello boy.
Mujale. Iya no even funny say. Oh man we just faith. Just pretend. Tell they say you never eat. You want faith. Eh no man we ew. Later, what to if you tell they say one faith, they'll not give an injection. If you wake up, you're there, Carol. So may not say one faith. So like that, and somebody can see volunteer to say, I want to buy you ticket. No vie more guinya. Maybe if they see picky, they know deport. At least I think Vera bought 4 children for the man. Because Vera uhe bale na ya niegbe yegi wa bio wa mudia mo ware. Ere Vera ya bien.
What to wa every day for la hara.
Oje no never your bomb mola doke do ti ablasi we wa lare but e bio ene eri ya bie because o pake ka me yo toto bie oba lohun obi jeme oba lohun ba le Vera o si ene Vera because ene ni me bie na ha operation okpa obi me no kwa pa di me na winye ya na o choko yeah. Oh, where they are now? So if Vera, you graduate to the extent in Nigeria, you now wait, but I'm not be in Nigeria. You may more what in here because a country ni wakia be away. Madam push. What did they want this one? Pull your leg. Yes, slap me. Hold on. On it, Digiona be on me 5. If Vera for that, I'm an hele. I can add a flower in there. So Jamie man, I think you know, he was total quite was a 9 months. Oh my beer will have done that, but ambulance. Come on, man, come on. I don't borrow, but no rush. I don't let him on. Which is not easy, and that's what many of us say. Mateo ni Maya beer. So lucky we're not in her own part. Only way I say Maya, cause he a total beer. But some mudiak, but some
Rosen na easy. I say na feel like what?
but no. Mateke can feel kwa because mine na feel kwa bijeme.
No, easy na gone na. We meje la no your pressure be e do fi over for we na
balance. You understand though. Me. Or you want me say Jamie no. Or yeah, even me are Vera gbeso. Or my sister, that good or bad? Do you know what is 5 good boys? Boys. Vera prestige okay no illiterate eh ogun illiterate to be honest illiterate ogun ignorant ogun agbo eh ya mogun gbe because if you know where Vera me down where Vera. Do you know that as a asylum seeker in Germany they tell the Vera like Jamie on that Tami ari mo in Nigeria. I swear to Almighty Jehovah if I lie una way they Germany mona tell me. And then another way, maybe I don't wear our DNA. I grant you aduro you for free bring small picking move but pretend the one well, but just that I will test it. Yeah, came when. What does that? Vera said he could make 5 in like Jamie Mana. Vera, we are me Vera, we are respect eh. Woga could make 5 kiss no do be a Jamie. A Jamie ni mana man and Jamie. A Jamie, even yata, maybe yata na.
Mama, mama, we were I'm not calling
yes, you are right. Okay. Okay, German people there, yeah. If they grant you asylum, I say if they grant you asylum, if you tell they say you get children, immediately they grant you, then you will go apply for your son or your daughter or your children. They will not German will not be the one to bring your children. In fact, your children will be in Africa. They will be paid there here in money for year. Before you go bring them.
You don't want another one. Now you expect make it
no mami, Vera na bio me.
And now you be that. Say
Vera na bio me. Mo tamu we Jamie wanaje. Vera na bio me 5 in Nigeria. Vera na ru de kia ekie Benjamin ya Deporte ari e karo na mama e ke no je de kirikiri de re ya mojo de tie mu ari Nigeria o. Because you can feel camera before police caught the camera, because they say I don't want to go to Nigeria where we were like in Nigeria Benjamin. Where are you one we are debating who are running the country? So Vera or give me a Benjamin. I mean, a Vera with Benjamin is so bad. Women, abroad women, what you guys are doing is not right. Vera, you have 5 boys, and not you're not wrong with it. Only you 1 year, Benjamin. Your first son is 20 years now, Abi, and a Benjamin is 22. Meaning Benjamin senior with 1 year. Yeah. So when I'm with Benjamin, when I'm with Lawa, oh, Hana, you wait to tell you that way camera. Menovie do bona. No my way kia wogare 18. Oga we agbewa. When no so be at the age of 14. When I accuse him me be your money yopa. You know who I been why agioma. When I would let him again le biomo. Ejama grant him 13 years, sorry. 13 years we are biomodio. 13 years he me feel nwekwa. Brother me koi yajehu. I was born and brought up in a whole village. And where you could aru lekia ma se do maroba. E brother me ga mo gba koko yo mo wi be rule be aje wo pa be ri o. Ugbe mo gbe mo na iku.
Mama dey not forget the age.
You say
anytime you mistake the age when she came for, Mama get the remind of you.
also that for me no be there or any I get 30 years or ya be. Oh, not how many time
Mama go for la premium.
because mia I got you that for me bwana.
You go just comment and then say you don't make mistake, not me.
Hey, no way now. Let make it be my husband, sister, be my darling now. They remind me. 13 years, my sister, just imagine. Then I coco Vera hair. Also, then you honor no enegbeni. Era no digwe, era no way me yana be aware. Era na sopa lele weke ke vi jouer. Oviere ke do arie mi na wa. E Vera no de respect. Ona mwera ona gbeseleke. E Vera, Gagbowe. A Benjamin, I don't want to go. Umaya save. I don't want to go.
Agani, Jama first lady bota, wa bota. The village, Akweni Maladia, Amawe, Uya, 19 years, I be 80 years, a year virgin.
Oh, me make ni ekere. Make women.
We are what we join Ovijo.
What I do you now one, my sister? I don't you now one. Because I be a parents, I be a family, Benny Mena, why be no be that kind of family before.
Not be every family different. I say
when I tell my daughter say, see when person don't grow where you don't mature, don't reach to you know that kind of thing. As my family call street reach, it may be your woha ne degbe woha.
You go what you told you my home. I
tell my husband sister this thing. Ohuase no mievine wa iwase ne udo mi ready ni. Meri mi ready ni I maybe ogoha. Ya tamo bi me no ko oga ogoha me ya lo vieji o se mokpa o be samere ave we o be degbere because he got so wa inya ga gbeme. Inside bush na sleep. E dey gba na agwa lo me kiana do do se meji we. Yen wo ani na do ta iri de gbeme ya sin kwa. Hey, ije no kwa gele fi bad veterio. Mo se ni na le la ha o ha ga mu me. Ina wu ya agbe me because ya we iya love ye koma adi ma u de. O ya me le la ha. Na ni bia ka ga me na ado ade ban ya ado akọ o wa ni me na nwa. Ibi me mi red ile la ha. Ibi owo ha. O se me no me ni me ignorant eri ye beje ye ma me ye me mi de. Eri ya ru wo ha ba ona asa megume ba ona ana iga gwalo mekia village ho village ya no o ha ama wu ware 13 years ware 14 ware 15 we are free the boy
e dogi no
no you call out me ona mo ye video me ona ma me ya me some days ago ofie one okay ne even no ika
Vera me value ogomo no value
Vera you when they not train for us you when be say 13 years uswe awekiane 13 years my gbe party my iwa lawa uhune na
mana hu e ibae ai mana hi amekwegbe who send you
ewe na arete iya wa me mesa we ye bio mi ye 15 years we are 15 years wo hana gi we love your kokpi ya magboa ya ma ije me no kwa ga igoga ile hie ni olo I know quarrel with my grandmother. I know saying a good thing, but it was kind of too harsh on me. But she was actually doing it for my own good. You understand? But just that she was too harsh. But at the time, that time, she said he hates me. But growing up, I can't understand. Say she was just trying to protect me and make me not to do those things. You understand me? Later, wherever I apologize, where every year because because it do after man one time in work because a family they will beat you for what even my babies on me I be stubborn picking they easily they believe everything because me been an evo do ire we want to we me ya le you want every by quareva iya do atala agbe wa be na awona we na ere ogo mi magbina ere obo we me wa dan me ho mega ireje me no kwa ekoto lo we na me we no pa masun wo igare 2 o'clock 3 o'clock ko eko won me ugbe me ni ki ba gbon ugbe me ni ki ba gbon so like that o me keno do seje me no kwa we awa mo me re o we yen me no sun ogo we gbina ere o we me madego yo gboloko re e na no I kenola ma me no je e o ma gbon wa sejo o we ti kukugbe nu wa gbe wa mo han wa kokugbe wa gbe. You know that kind of thing. My mother, she not understand even you. Ona do me near. You don't call me for that. But it was so painful. We don't like webo. I mean, be a kave de ni be you have 16 years. When you look away, it may go over your coming work up be living. Me 16 years in my way kia. Yeah, twe. Wano be le wa he accusing me ne jama first lady ni jeme no kwa ye de ya koko. What he accused of being mokpa mufu ave Gambia, my Ghana there, my then in idea we my code.
Akwena ladia,
Vera no zuwa. Vera ne botro we una biele filo, una file emone mose una filo kwa. Vera ga imuja ga wa ha be like say the pikin wa kan so e wa kere mo ladia. Ambulance. You can come anytime or I'll give birth to the baby. Ero ya bie. Rudu hi bie very almighty gba o mo. Una mu ge Benjamin. What die everything we do na body. Why ya ni accuse me ku we ka be dedeke ya. Okben wari yo wa ke no mare bonoro. Wa die ya. Wa na do mo yi mo hu. Wa be ka biele ne I mai bie de. Wa na ye me mo hu. To edele na hi wo ge bo ge fada be ni je me no kwa kai.
Iya vai we caro a.
Iya boy mo ya na ifin camera mama me patu.
When you are the patu lads because you gbe ma gbe the media na
Owa so also pe about wa maybe wa dey to ya na we no feti doctor wa feti ya wa digestion your nisan e jama we ka owa ni no tell we o wa feti ya re digestion your nisan e mata wa ni ka ya re for we karo I pray say na prison the carry and go prison better pass say they deport am anyways for me Vera, don't tell me, man, no sunu. The police guy am with Benjamin. A working class man. My mom they work. My mom they change motor every time. Mama.
I'll go find now, but me I'll go find. I'll never see him.
Mind the video.
How?
I said they know me WhatsApp you your thing.
I'll go. Where's the girl? I never see him.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
You know, lad, honestly, no, mama.
Is that how many live video?
I went. Mama, come. Jama last lady with a man or no poto. Jama last lady. May I tell you, I know you. You can lie. Odo mwe colors, odo afofo bab, odo fofo se boni ni nyewebo. He make color no mujo, he go call the white ba. Oyo on the side gero egbe. We me kwa lo e defeater. Wa mweri colors of any mebe mwejo na who vanish my sister.
Mama, baby. No, again, one of our video I done for Facebook, not be yesterday. Exactly with this thing when you just talk, so now talk. I say, I tell like this woman, I'll let you they use the filter when
highest in Oroye wa mujo with
you think go it don't go call like it not go even fight again, you know. Even he said the person be fine before if it are too much, he go guy, he go.
If I want to look at so tell you no now.
I say God, I beg go.
You go wait on now. E Vera na iwa tota wa mwe red with oni o wa mwe red with on o wa mwe you who boy. Okay, wa mwe you who no the total hotel. This matter. Me not the fear anybody, me not the fear anybody. Hello.
When no lads ya no do tami man social media family.
No tami man in my pay. Okay, you apologize to Era or you apologize to
Exactly.
Vera, you apologize in Era who we apologize in the visual. Don't want some visual wet to agbe. Ya ke do gbalo we na no otonore na yo paste yo wo wa eleleleva. O wa egede gba lalafo. Onimu. Oh, beg say banya. O le ari odo.
Jama first lady eje emu.
We say blood is thicker than water. O beg we say no we say jama yare me for be karo. Jama first lady no mama last lady o gi emegbe. O teme la o ti awe ne.
Who is this?
Sawene. Alobua. Obi oka no get to agbe. We oka kere oga u papa unu ga joyojore. You cannot mind your business and create your content. Umana ime jama last lady. Ogun ya akpa he jemi uga akpa Vera. Try be.
When are you Spain? Spain. Yeah, no total Spain.
No me ya ga be wo do. Me maka mu we ba no imi otin no ko no mo wa no kwa. No ya stay you.
Oya gwalugbo ke na mugbo be Spain. A city soro.
And the worst part of it, to know say ovi okanekere, ona ya married yoma. A man that is no 50 something, ona amwe konu we no 30. La ovi okana. Anyway, sha, esa geni yana doye e Benjamin no ma, na doye Benjamin yagwe. E mi no ri yagbe ya ta mama. E Benjamin ya wo mokpa we ebie. We na wa mama no bi. E kenana vivie Vera mudiani re Nigeria. Benjamin o ha etu we kan digwe. Uwe kia kototo agnya. Ibie kari ye gakpa. Ona ya gwiji ya mu.
Amana hiyo mo do na se we bobo. No gba oge ni ro wa. Amana hiyo mo do.
Imeta.
Now wetin I dey talk like if you don't get children for Nigeria. For me if you don't come this abroad me I strongly like those people where they not come born for years. They come here, they come with those children where they are
come here. Not be say you know. You see my husband's sister. My husband's sister where they here so she come abroad for year. As she come, that's why we be bestie now. Because me like people who get sense, people who get life. I like them. My husband's sister come this country. What she do? Everything when she do, she not do for herself. She do her to make sure say bring his son come here.
You see,
Anything where she they do, he go say, I do this one because of Gabriel. I do this one because of Gabriel. Before you know, Gabriel, and then no one the ticket, you know, ni area ben in Switzerland, you know, ya more here. Or the one man wa be a video call. He have a Nigeria airport. Man a video call. He na ga way. Gabriel we both we dey now. We both dey now. You can eroya riela we both zai. Or ye school zai. Today go on. Or ye mo na bie we both.
Oma focus here idaki or no focus here.
For where? Ona lelebo. Ebi no ga tire bo obive. Ebo mama re uni do mo first obive, ni do obive mana. Baba na. Awe mi yane. Abe mute my noise mireva. Ana we Gabriel na like webo. Today ya go oyo mana biebe webo. Ya go it great or we your just school na jo or we ya fefe after all I think 10 years or yare we ya go now. A Vera na like webo, a Jamie no, a Jamie we go ask you if you see Kaduro, they go ask you born picky for anywhere. Ugmo yoto anytime I grant a benwe. A jam marry a ticket in where bad they are safe. You will go and bring your children because you seek the joy Aduro. Ask people, that's how they do it here. How would that may be your wife? Then I send him Aduro, he mo be very. And then he don't Aduro ma, he go yoto. Danny me amo I may buke me ani. Iwa huwa. Any woman when they deny picking, they never born that man. Oh ye ruwe kwera ekwije. Oh ye respa mera. Uveve. No we adosio mo precious picking in me biye. I dosio nwe. O honu ga dangote iwe no take middle figure. Osio nire. Vera no zuwa. Na de you bo picking umufwa umwelehe rudo pe momolehe. Ahoja veruwe. Akoja okay o mai mi no mo si e mai mi no mo na do ri agbe Benjamin una mo agboro na mo ri agweze we nu ya bio me 5 when atam okay imagine say me begin one pikin una be the tell my husband say he don born before now who don born before at least make we say I born one we no be 5 wa go jino mo kita oboke kano ya mo ere agigie ni na mo degbere wo ga fiye. Now wow. Now they carry they do. Me I go no where me warere biele 16 years me bio me no dione. 17 ina bio me no pok. Ya ria. Then ya do atami me we. Eya ma wo bia ye wa. Ya me no we do bona. Da koko me muri averi oni. Ani hi. Anya mono maje juo si veni je me no kwa kai. Ano a family na egi yo ma gbe ado aye egi ma ari ere me maybe make money there obije me no kwa na me ya you coordinate yourself anywhere what get what your friends go feed do you dare not do it because they can do it and go away where wa so wa akpoko ide here yo wo have you pono re bed have you anywhere is so who get there if you no ma wo my way o awa e tiki ya fi we sure we o my we e Vera no zuwa no saka o ma respecter ravi we Nigeria o ma respect jouer bo ragbo o ye ve la we bono na ve zuwa na ve bie mo na filo kwa see Benjamin today na Benjamin you don't reach a car or call me na do we donation we call it then I don't donate to no na enemy money. Agwali go munwe ave muwege investor wodo ave muwege je nora ave muwege a platform yo alele yakyan ave go no me ave donate. You say your grandmama child my grandmama child yo na woman she be oh my grandmother is the best. Forget everything what you do to me, do it for my good anyway. I got what say me ya. Yeah, go see some of my friends. See, one thing good about my grandmother is that when they realize later, say the things where they do me na accusation, and I don't really do those things. Because my grandmother, based on my story, my grandmother was harsh because of my father. When he thinks say maybe I don't go become anything, just abandon me for village. You just think say I go just be normal village girl, grow up, carry belly, born for village, come they do village thing like my girlfriends that time now with the day village there now, So and my grandmother don't want that. That thing really upset my grandmother. I was little, but I know say that thing vex am. And my grandmother don't want make I really become like that. If we dey go farm like this, my grandmother go say, say, are you going on? Everybody go many. If you reach your road of farm, why will la huwa? Emani keye be ahia. Ije no kwa wa mweko mi no se ni na kwenu le lukbe wa le lukbo na mweko maybe do aria du gbogi me we be ari owe agbon hia we we agbon hi iwe we agbon iwe eriwe on we gele adu wa ari gwe na era do we yen gele tage uhia hi o magbon uhia we ne ni omoho hi. So that thing when she dey tell me, she no say me I take that one past the beating self. That small advice when she dey give me when we go day together. That one they really sink. Also, me our women go ya wa case sleep pass you. U leje, you view. Iriye. Iriya we, I must saka me na gabe mani saka me Vera no so abi at the age of 13. Then me waje biomo at the age of 13. Oh money me 40 years in me. Oh ye here gbada 15 years old bana. Oh yeah, walking my day when Larry, where's Jamie? When me go one there. Where I walk here with door. It is your way, young one. But imagine we will do my of your honey, my no, my one never. It didn't want it in your way, John. I want to walk on a walk here, bodo, where do my bossa? Where it is your way, a who will go. So, emana my 13, 15, 14, na do aglele kia e kia mo mana. Enunu bianiro enunu yo muma. Umu aje mi no wa gbon. Wa me dream, wa me ambition, wa me future, wa me vision. A friend dire mi no a friend. Okwopa no re wi ma o we lare o bukana. Ami egenu ya mose, ami egenu ya mu egbenu na mi ma mose ma onu na mi ma hiyo ma me ni dede ni ya ta ege ni. Eveni yoka lame med. Vera we eri Vera na kpona ya biele no kpia no lovie with a mat a wa. Na ya biele. When I see picture when take gebele, I see abuse. I see picking with the Ojo mo na yari wo fane jana wa kan koke. O no adote na so alobi eke. Eri okogo bi okani. But la dia me dia na go para e perere e mama me benugunu e ke mi ta wetori in Nigeria ori in Nigeria
That old man, me to say like papa.
No be the old man old pass papa o era yogi say old man ni e je wa no e ne je wa ye we me de
Old man, era
no era yogi soni ni a era yogi se nene di omo da wa no bi o kana gbi agi ogogo wa no bi o kana wa sakan megi ba ete money sakan to gi ma we ma like ya ma de yeti cope abi money wa tun eni ya wa emi ya ya wa emi eki ami ya no ma like
Ave man hani na ya yo bogbe we man na we o we no who ere gbori your zori o we no who ere gbori your zori wa me girlfriend o we no ro wa na ya bi
Somebody dey comment am say she say the man no get document. You talk her for one of his video like that.
No, he said the man get paper. No, ma make no tie. Vera water say it get. Abe saga no. Abe no na saga me no. They know water in my mom be. Or we papa be say if he get, he can't get. You know in there. We my get near. Or ma make no ya tie with the man maybe. Or what maybe. If I talk or what maybe. Me no get tie the man maybe. Who no? Okay, now she no get. Who no
get?
Who no get for their two? I don't know. Don't believe that girl. She have always been saying it that they have documents. Over time now. So me mind watana na. In real life video, I even do change you nea. We wa government no ebe Benjamin Inje we show concern. Oge zo.
Maybe something don't happen now. I go say me just open up.
Eh. Anyway, sha. Wetin una think mo pity for na me na donate or say Nigeria na ya mi go re caro ya na donate or say caro.
He made the banner. I go me ya the pizza.
When we not say Vera okunari na the girl okunari na. Understand? Uri ene because I don't know oga art under the influence of Igbo. So gari jobo ne kere amami go almost we go no kwane we are we kere no. Are we kere no wa be dey yoiba me 50 euro 100 euro but a police no mu yen ni a police ni either for deportation or for because when na avie ni or where they carry me they go where I no wan go Nigeria only okpa only na wa touch me bo ya nwa me because even ni wa ya think on me no sunu we na me ni expect we or maybe no ma expect. For me, one will video, one me Benjamin, one dada, one moody car, and away. Are you playing? Eke for Maria, what's on that phone now?
Aya gaga
Yeah, where ya? You know where? Me want me away. They say they want carry me go Nigeria. They you hold me for you. Vera, I don't call lawyer. Lawyer say no, they call. They don't plan now. If they carry you, come on, me go see, come on now. We ta.
And I saw that they always plan it. Everything na plan. They want to do this one. They want to do that
You know
one.
when I lie. It cannot be truth. And I like better taxi. Maybe ever yet to up me. Yeah, they got up here again. Maybe home. We have the ticket in, and I went no. This thing now, no. It ain't nothing. Or you want time when they don't keep my paper now we go now no we want no. Why we keep your paper in I? It why you kill your paper me port ya.
Aya keep paper. I'm one year gan.
The police no a police no carry and the police wey dey with the guy before na normal police. But the police wey call carry and come on wey call dey cry say no one go Nigeria. Those one are criminal police and deportation police. Now you call later carry later. I feel say that guy commit crime. Yeah, let's be honest. No, forget again my why joke.
No, yeah, but no, yeah. No. I will be oh no.
Imagine make am make a boy any ojo ma no. Imagine make am make owe mi ojo ma no maybe maybe when am Morocco we jemi ma. E ma ni book in Morocco. So maybe with something like that. Jama cannot just harass you like that. No, don't do that. When me police no don't where. Mama, you get bread. You say yes, that's what I'm thinking now. Because a police no don't any. You see where you know when they see those kind of police. Oh, yeah, what balegbe and what return. You know what jacket. Or when they want go arrange flight for her. If I mean I can shock you with flight. If they carry you come out, I go follow, I go come on, I don't go stay Jamila. What's so down I carry I mean deported one maybe normal committee crime.
Even for mama, if person do maybe na criminal person like do something way no they legal like where they then legalize for the country, right? If they want carry for you, they carry all those queque police where they pass you for road though. Like they make sure say now those one where they giant get height. Exactly.
You know
they
what
go press you because they know say you go one try do any year.
Yeah.
They go arrange those one for you. That's what they do.
We are Benjamin. I want na wa na wa blow ba wo o na wa be to me o. Mama told that for me no we a bossy say you even tell you to her because it was kind of a very bad situation. You know why I call calm then why I call watch. A police no car show na we no fear camera na we fear in real life video. I want to talk to my people. I dey talk to my people on na say you want police in Nigeria we matter you worry and I can we ya a video na wa fear. They say me a court video na wa gwari mo boy. Ipia career ya me ne phone. Mana do guru the police ya the phone fi ekpo. So and those police they were so tall and they were I believe those normal police hand over and give criminal police or that deportation police.
Yes, not so.
My ma a police say Jamie Yogbelu. My ma wa drag very Jesus. My mom. So my mom, you no get better paper. Now you ride motor one day. You want go fight. These people, you guys can take risk for a living. I'm telling you, you guys can take risk for a living. So
And they prove a point. Now point that they prove.
boy na wa mu moto le lo me na no mu kia e botro we no bio mi se filokwa. No bio mi se Janeti nubu. When the Tinubu we are here, we are. Again, na wa drive. We don't reach here now. You never call. You ne Hey, Jamie, I no go school, I no sabi read, I no sabi write, I no dey hear language. It no be excuse for court. If you fuck up, you go.
Benjamin Asia, Benjamin Asia, I know gbina na giyan kele gbe, no me na gele gbe.
No, they never leave him. Oh, we ain't leave him. We ain't leave him. G. They never leave Benjamin. No, yeah, leave him. Yeah, say Benjamin. You to be here with live video dote. Jama last lady, they don't leave me. Oh, your juju don't work like say Moka here. Yeah, I say, oh, I'm a baby, your boy. I'm a big problem. No. Or they can't do my deporte. Or make baby guy. No. Let me tell you. With what happened today, they detained that guy. 8 o'clock in the morning. They lock her for one room. Police he day and it is ya being a watch. You know what? Why I call handle my ma oh my ma. He my mom. My man at I'm on live video. You know what? 12 evidence do first to put. Java police a pata put. Ya work camera your bomb. Am I ya to pray make them leave my husband's sister there. You don't dey feel for her now. Maybe feel Nesha. Me, I'm just talking. It's always something. If I crack a joke, my husband say I be comedian, so we don't joke. But you feel good anyway when people wait till they wish for you if they happen for them. When I dey house that day, I hear say they collect one person. We pray for me for YouTube. Say government go collect my children. When I hear say they collect her 3 children, I was just shocked. It can't be like everywhere cover blood for my face. I'm like, no, now. First way they cost me every day, say that Jama first day, that Jama, they go collect your children. Me only a toy be now and so very fast. This like person, if person do you something, money dey juju, where you dey what was the way you fool me? The way you fool me. Vera go about, Vera be like him in Maguana because I feel say she also connect with the team when you happen. I feel so. I go live una me. I go dey look around. So me. Era dollar one me okay. Maybe I tell me what see maybe one make it because we need that to be easy video.
Lazo, you like easy because you got to drink water and drunk come.
Any metala ne enwi ni me wune reno. So wune ma easy guy ire ma ba
Lazo, if you like Lazo, if you dey drag people Lazo, she they go dey balance water.
Eh ko mo me wune re gbe me. We have ya talk about later there on la one Mexico gbe ko. Wune re to easy very my sister. Or look for but ma wa me easy na ata lo. Ame won si o se ni na we saga he we reply. Even you're a winning rock bar. You got in one me, you're wonderful. So, where we are walk over there, I make a bill. I make a bill because a man of rock bar, where, la, call one. Oh, ma, I go live on now. May I go do another thing? Or tell that for me, Leru, pray for her. Maybe he is not supposed to go to Nigeria with the document. God bless you. God bless you, my darling. When a Vera Kamari your Mudiane, era vije here, your native daughter no Mudiane, they pray. Pray pray kakabo. Nia say, you tell that for me wa pray. Oh, my very pray. We pray. More na pray, Shaf. To be honest, me I not really get anything against the guy. Although the guy. So anyway, get forget Shaf. Benjamin, no worry, you'll come out. But if you don't reach Tinubu country, my contribution my own way. Ma we go nowhere. You go charity organization. Ma do donate. But ma your account of where you donate. Ma need the time. Ma thank you. Do it for God. They do things for God. Okay. I sorry for her. So Mama Gabriel, you think say na joke me day. Say I your carry even me. Wa do total tell Vera. Vera in a total. Vera we talk my matter for 3-4 years. Imagine joy. I worry other way the hospital information you reach me now. My last lady, they say he reach hospital yesterday. The saga, the beat we beat her for here. I beg you, why? Oh man, I beg guys. See